Hey everyone, wanted to jump on here quick and talk about the Cricut mini press. And I was just kind of curious your thoughts on it. So I know like there's a lot of pros, but in my opinion there's some cons too. So for the price, I think you can find it for 50 bucks on sale. I think that's a decent price, especially if you don't have like a press or anything like it. However, if you already have a big press, I think it could possibly be a waste of money because a lot of those little things, like I think it's nice that you can do like little things like sneakers, just like smaller items that may be a little awkward to put in a press or wouldn't work in a press. But in my opinion, that's what like a hair straightener is for. And I have used that with success plenty of times for stuffed animals and some other items I can't think off the top of my head right now, but some other items that I have done. So for 50 bucks though, it's not bad if that's all you have. I think relying on a small press for like a big t-shirt is kind of a pain because I mean, you'd have to kind of go everywhere with the little mini press, and it's small. It's probably about, that big around. It's cool that there is 3 different heat settings, low, medium, and high, depending on what material you're pressing and what type of vinyl it is. I think it's a neat idea for if you're traveling. Obviously, if you have craft fairs you do and things like that, you don't have to bring your huge, big, bulky press. I know mine's like a good 50 pounds at least, I think, and it's bulky and awkward, and carrying that from craft fair to craft fair would not be ideal. So in those cases, it's super convenient. So there are some pros and cons regarding the Cricut mini press. Just kind of curious if you have one, what your thoughts are, if you like it, if you've used a hair straightener before and in replace of the mini press, and what you think is different about them. Just comment below and let me know. I'm super curious. Hope you all have a wonderful weekend.